Another question which again is related to polynomials and trigonometry is, if x sin a plus y sin 2a plus z sin 3a is equal to sin 4a, and the same way x sin b, y sin 2b plus z sin 3b equals sin 4b, and x sin c plus y sin 2c plus z sin 3c is equal to sin 4c, then we need to find what are the roots of this given equation. Now we look at all the three equations. All the three equations are essentially same except for the fact that in the first one we have a, in the second we have b, and in the third one we have c. So we can write this equation as x sin theta plus y sin 2 theta plus z sin 3 theta, and it is equal to sin 4 theta, and this equation has three roots, a, b and c. If we'll put theta as a, we'll get this first equation. With b, we'll get the second equation, and with c, we'll get this third equation. Now we'll try and simplify it in this polynomial form. Now this is x sin theta. Now sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta, and z sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, and sin 4 theta is 2 cos 2 theta, and then we can write sin 2 theta as 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now we'll take sin theta common from both the sides and we'll cancel it. So we can write this as x plus 2y cos theta plus z 3 minus 4. We can write sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta, and here it will be 4 cos theta, and then we can write cos 2 theta as 2 cos square theta minus 1. So it will be x plus 2y cos theta minus z plus 4z cos square theta and 8 cos cube theta minus 4 cos theta. So we can rearrange this equation as 8 cos cube theta minus 4z cos square theta, and then here will be minus 2 y plus 2 cos theta, and then plus z minus x equals 0. Now we'll divide everything with 8. So we'll divide everything with 8. We can write this equation as cos cube theta minus z upon 2 cos square theta minus y plus 2 upon 4 cos theta plus z minus x by 8 equals 0, which is same as the given equation, t cube minus z by 2 t square minus y plus 2 by 4 cos theta. Here it should be 2 not z, and then z minus x by 8. Now here the value of t is cos theta. Now this equation has three roots, a, b and c. So the three roots of this equation will be cos a, cos b and cos c. So answer to this question is, roots of this equation are cos a, cos b, cos c, and that's your option number 2. Now let us take another question, in which is, if alpha, beta, gamma and delta are the solution to this equation, tan theta plus pi by 4 equals 3 tan 3 theta, no two of which have equal tangents, then we need to find the value of tan alpha plus tan beta plus tan gamma plus tan delta. So we can simplify this equation. Now this is tan pi by 4 plus tan theta, so it will be 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta, and it will be equal to 3, and then tan theta will be 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now we'll cross multiply. We can write 1 plus tan theta into 1 minus 3 tan square theta and 1 minus tan theta, and this is 9 tan theta minus 3 tan cube theta. So we'll get 1 plus tan theta minus 3 tan square theta minus 3 tan cube theta, and here will be 9 tan theta minus 3 tan cube theta minus 9 tan square theta plus 3 10 to the power 4 theta. Now here 3 tan cube theta will cancel. We can write this equation as 3 10 to the power 4 theta minus 6 tan square theta plus 9 tan theta minus tan theta. So it will be 8 tan theta minus 1 equals 0. So now this is a biquadratic polynomial in tan theta. Now the first question is we need to find the value of tan alpha plus tan beta plus tan gamma plus tan delta. Now this biquadratic equation has 4 roots: alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Now here S1 will be tan alpha plus tan beta plus tan gamma plus tan delta. This value will be minus b upon a. Now b here is 0. So the value of tan alpha plus tan beta plus tan gamma plus tan delta will be 0, and that's your option number D. Now the next one is find the value of tan alpha, tan beta, tan gamma and tan delta. Now this is nothing but this is S4. Now what is S4 in this case? It is minus 1 by 3. So value of this expression will be minus 1 by 3, and that's your option number A. Now finally we need to find 1 upon tan alpha plus 1 upon tan beta, 1 upon tan gamma plus 1 upon tan delta. Now this is nothing but this is S3 upon S4. Now what's S3 in this case? S3 is minus 8 and S4 is minus 1. So this value is equal to plus 8, and that's your option number B.